Okay, this is the second block of practice on your arithmetic sequence practice page. Let's look at problem 7. The directions say to write up a rule, which means to write up an equation for the sequence, and to find the indicated term. So make sure you have this on your notes somewhere or written down. The pattern we're finding, or the pattern we're using, is a sub n is equal to the common difference times n minus 1 plus a sub 1. So let's identify some of those things. Excuse me. The very first term of the sequence is 12. That's your a sub 1. The common difference, the d value, is what's being added or subtracted each time. So let's see, to get from 12 to 27, or from 27 to 42, or from 42 to 15, we're going to be adding 15 each time. So our common difference is going to be 15. The n in this formula is in the directions. It's telling us we need to find the 18th term. So I will be solving for an n value of 18. So let's put everything into the formula and see what we get. We want the 18th term. The common difference is 15. We use 18 in the n position, and we add in the very first term of 12. From here, you can just do some simple arithmetic, and you will get that the 18th term is 267. Okay, let's do another example. Number 8. Using the same formula over and over again. It would really benefit you to memorize it, but remember, it is on your SOL formula sheet. We need the first term of the sequence listed here. A sub 1 is going to be 29. Our common difference is what we are adding or subtracting by each time. We are going lower and lower as the sequence continues, and we are subtracting by 20 each time. So our common difference is negative 20. We are being asked to find the 32nd term of the sequence, so our n value is going to be 32. So let's plug everything in. We're finding the 32nd term. Our common difference is negative 20. Our n value will be 32. And our first term in the sequence was 29. Follow your order of operations here to get your final answer, and you will get the 32nd term of this sequence will be negative 591. So glad we did not write out a giant list of numbers. Okay, couple more practices here. Feel free to stop this video at any time if you've got it and you just want to stop and do the work on your own. Compare your answers to the answer sheet. I'm back to this formula. A sub n is equal to d times n minus 1 plus a sub 1. Negative 40 is the first term of the sequence. The common difference, well, I'm going from negative 40 to negative 44, from negative 44 to negative 48. So what's happening between each term is I'm subtracting 4. I'm being asked to find the 49th term. No way do I want to write all that out. So my n value will be 49. Now it's definitely worth you knowing this formula. Otherwise, you'd have to write out 49 terms. Gracious. Okay, so we're trying to find the 49th term when the difference is 4, n value of 49, and first term of the sequence is negative 40. Use a calculator, use Desmos, use your order of operations, whatever you want to do here. You're going to find the 49th term in this sequence is negative 232. Okay, here's my final practice problem for you. Hopefully you're getting the gist of things at this point. There's the formula I'm filling out. I use the list to find all the parts to the formula here. 50 is the first term, so that is the a sub 1 value. D is the common difference, so I need to figure out what's being added or subtracted between each term. So to go from 50 to 39, or 39 to 28, or 28 to 17, I'm subtracting 11 each time. And the directions are asking me to find the 54th term. So I'll go over here to my formula and plug everything in. I've got negative 11 times 54 minus 1 plus 50 plugged in. Do a little number crunching here, and you're going to get a 54th term of negative 533. Okay, guys, that was your 4 practice problems on the second part of your homework sheet here. My next video, I'll look at those last 4 problems, and those are thinking problems. There's going to be a couple extra steps there, so come back if you need help. Happy studying.